pick up this Tamiya Alfa Romeo GTV 124 scale model kit, which was originally produced in Japan in 1996. I actually saw this kit in one of the hobby shops that was actually selling probably about 20 over years ago, and I picked it up because the shop owner actually offers me a very good price for this kit. So let's do the unboxing. This is how the side looks like. Very typical Tamiya packaging, and as you can see, it's still under the original reseller, which is the 9 products die shine. And alright, let's see how it looks like inside. Empty printouts, but you have tons of printings inside here, all the details. And as for your typical Japanese production, which is non-Philippines production, you always have this kind of sleeve, like this top thing, which you don't get it nowadays. Very delicate, very detailed Japanese production by Tamiya, and we all know that. These are notice printouts. The body itself, very nice looking. The chassis and the hood, the decals, which is quite nice actually. Just that it has turned yellow. The engine parts, as you can see, it's a 9.4. It's a 9.4 with a very detailed. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, that's how detailed it is. Well, your very typical Tamiya production. It comes in with metal emblems as well, and of course the manual, which is actually yellow in color because of aging. And last but not least is how the inside looks like this. So there you go. That is how your typical 1996 Tamiya product looks like.